Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
So first of all, I offer my humble obeisances unto the lotus feet of my spiritual master Nitya-lila Krishna Vishnupad Ashtutara Satyaman Bhakti Vedanta Silavama Goswami Maharaj and Nitya-lila Krishna Vishnupad Ashtutara Satyaman Bhakti Vedanta Silavama Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble respectful Dhamma Pranam lotus feet of Nitya-lila Krishna Vishnupad Ashtutara Satyaman Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Govinda Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and actually, I discussed few days before Krishna's madhurya, sweetness of Krishna's madhurya. And Srila Vishwanath, oh, you can translate it.
Translation.
You can translate simultaneously there, because two and
No, I think you need a mic. Because the sound is, because it's live, so the sound should be. Is there a mic? You have it. You have it.
Oh, yeah.
She's cooking.
So, few days before we also discussed the Krishna's very nice, beautiful sweetness, madhurya. And also we compare with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained Krishna is Madhurjamay Vigraha, the embodiment of sweetness. Our Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Audarjamay Vigraha. That is called the embodiment of magnificent and magnanimous. So, in Madhurya Kadambani Grantha, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, he also first he glorified about the sweetness of Krishna, then he glorified about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's magnificent and magnanimous. How Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Audarjamay Vigraha. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called the embodiment of magnificent and magnanimous. First, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna, is called Madhurjamay Vigraha. Krishna is called Madhurya Pradhan and Audarya. That means Krishna is primary, he is called Madhurjamay Vigraha, and secondary he is Audarya. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called primary, he is Audarjamay Vigraha, Audarjata, magnanimity, and secondary it is called
Munificence.
Munificent. Okay. So now coming in this way, Krishna, our Krishna is very beautiful and attractive. When sadhak param bhajan and sadhan, then develop his bhajan and sadhan, then he develop how to attain his path, that is called goal. How to attain his goal.
Go.
So first that is called adu shraddha, tato sadhu sangha, tatpara, bhajana kriya, anartha nivritti, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, bhav and prem. So prem, this is called the goal. So adu shraddha, tato sadhu sangha, tatpara, bhajana kriya, anartha, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, bhav and prem. Then another thing also discussed, that is called samandha, avidya and prayojan. Samandha means the relationship. Then how to make relationship with Guru and Krishna. Then second, avidya. Avidya means? Avidya means process. That is called bhakti. Avidya bhakti. Process. Or prayojan, goal, that is called prem prayojan. So samandha, again is come the knowledge of relationship coming and the receiving the mantra diksha from Guru. That is called initiation. Where Guru gives the initiation his disciple through the mantra, then slowly his bhakti lata beej, that is called the seed of bhakti lata, and sprouted. But try to understand what is the bhakti lata beej, the seed of bhakti lata beej. That is called Krishna Seva Vasana. Their desire to serve Krishna. Because conditioned soul, unlimited time, wandering in the cycle of same repeated birth and death. For this regard, many kinds of unwanted things unearthed in his heart. Especially lust, anger, enviousness, these types of
Lust, anger?
lust, anger and enviousness.
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 Matsarya.
In their heart. Understand? In this way. But slowly, performing bhajan and sadhan, then all his unearths slowly removed from his heart. This is the process. And this unearths not going one day, takes some time. And also different levels. He can remove all these unearths.
Unwanted desires.
First, that is called Ekadashi Bhartini. Ekadashi Bhartini means one part of unearths removed from the heart of the devotee in the stage of Shraddha and Sadhu Sangha. That is called Eko Desha Bhartini.
Ekadesha?
Bhartini. You can write here the
You mean Vrata or Varta?
Eko Desha Bhartini.
Vartini.
Bhartini.
Actually, we have a new devotee here. He's like an aspiring candidate for Bhakti. Are you first time now in the class here? Or have you been here many years ago? First time? Okay. Wow.
You can write our unearths nivritti.
Yeah. Where's the, oh, we have
stand.
But to make space, I have to maybe
Rub.
part
The blackboard और ये वाला. आपका आप पे कोई कॉपी लेकर नहीं है, पेन पेंसिल लिया, कुछ तो लिखो, कुछ तो सीखो, कुछ.
What's that? Where is it? Where is it?
Only one chair.
You mean this way? Or down?
Yeah, chair or not?
This one?
Yes.
This is rose water. This is... This one? Which one? Not so.
Okay, what?
Yeah, should be. But we are making.
Okay.
Because we have Chun does not know Maharaj. Chun is
Junior.
like he doesn't know all about Sanskrit and Bengali.
So you can
Just
write
one-
there.
Sometimes I maybe say something in English.
Help him pick up some certain words.
Right, that's maybe I just clean
You
up.
will start to make it
Yeah.
up there?
Yeah.
Okay, we need to know the situation.
Can I wipe up this one? Yeah, it's going, yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Put this one down.
Oh,
I'm fine just to listen back.
Huh?
I'm fine just to listen back.
Yeah, I recognize that's good quality. That is very important for bhakti. Listening humbly and carefully, great attention. All this color coming. Actually, the thing is that if we just continue with patience, listening, all these things gradually become like revealed. From the context also you begin to see, oh, this spoken in this context and now it's spoken in this context, so the words get revealed also in very amazing ways.
I think I understood what he said
Right,
about the relationship with the disciples and
exactly, yeah, that's a very
getting rid
wonderful
of your
point.
own
Yeah,
desires.
very, very foundational point. Sambandha in
I'm
Sanskrit.
good.
You learn Sanskrit same time by listening to learn it much now. So Maharaj, the word you mentioned, I will write it now, which was Vartini something.
Vartini. ये आज की
हाँ?
A9.
Ekadesha Vartini.
Ekadesha Vartini.
Yeah.
Of Anarthas. What is the meaning Ekadesha Vartini? Right.
Yeah. One part of Anarthas.
Removed from the heart of the devotees
Uh-huh.
in the stage of Shraddha and Sadhu Sangha.
In the stage of sadhana and shraddha.
Shraddha.
In the state of sadhana and Shraddha, only Shraddha.
Shraddha and Sadhu Sangha. Sadhu Sangha.
Shraddha and
Sadhu Sangha.
And Sadhu Sangha.
Yeah, because you know too much Bengali, so.
He doesn't understand English, only Hindi.
Is that clear? Everybody can somehow read my handwriting? ঠিক আছে?
You can write also the Chinese, then you can understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chinese translation.
You go. You write. Chinese. How do you can understand? I can explain.
I didn't only write the macro.
Another color, you can write another color, not same color.
Yeah, different. More visible.
No, complete logo.
Robico.
No, logo. Plain. Then you can write all.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Shall I be there to write this one? That takes better. Yeah.
I stayed.
Yeah. Oh, yes, yes.
So now coming in this way. Eko Desa Bhartini. Yeah. How to remove all these anarthas. So our Vishwanath Chakravarti in Madhurya Kadamini explained that in the 5 stages, then sadhak completely free from all the anarthas. So first stage, that is called Eko Desa Bhartini. One part of anarthas removed in the stage of Shraddha and Sadhana. So first, this is the stage. Yeah. Then second, right. Bahu Desa Bhartini.
बाहु देशा भारतनी
Udeshavarti.
लेकिन यहाँ पे जगह नहीं है केवल एक ही तो
Yeah, you can write.
yeah and then maybe
Write
up,
small.
up here yeah
You can write the first number one.
Put
number
down
one
number
yeah
one.
yeah
छोटा लिखो.
I said
Yeah.
number 1 and then number 2 here
Yeah.
अच्छा so बाहु देशा भारतनी बाहु देशा भारतनी
Actually, you can write in the. You can write the one.
right what
Here you can write. In the 5 stages, anarthas.
in 5 stages yeah anarthas removed in 5 stages yeah
Stages and others are removed. You understand English, yes? So that's no problem.
What are you writing?
Just coming to the word remove, and then in 5 stages.
In 5 stages.
Anarthas?
Remove in 5 stages. And next.
Yeah, what is that Chinese? You cannot say. Actually, you can write the proper, you can clean everything.
Yeah, and yes,
One by
oh
one,
yes,
precise
absolutely. We need all the space. Yeah.
They can divide into two, right?
I think we must use this stuff.
They can divide into the middle like that, but you use the
How do you stop this? Anuvilas?
And all this also. We
How do
just
you
need this.
stop and then I
Yeah.
can resume back? How do I stop?
Yeah.